All right, first we're going to go to steamboatapc.com/wp-admin. So we're going to the WP, which is WordPress.admin-admin. We're going to put our username and password in. Sent this to you, so you won't be able to see it on the screen. Actually, I'm already in. So here we go. We want to add a new member. We go over to Pages, All Pages, and Add New. What I do is I usually go to All Pages. I'll find a member that's already listed and take their information. Let's go with Alice Dennison. Let's just click on her name, and you'll see her information right here. I want you to copy this information. This is HTML. Divs are like paragraphs. They're like little pockets of things that you can put in to paragraphs. And this H3 is a header. This is a paragraph tag. This is a hyperlink. This is an image. And this is a hyperlink around that image. So this is an email address, H-reference, mail to Steamboat Carpet Plus, steamboatcarpetplus.yahoo.com. Okay, so this is a lot of the information. So I'm going to copy this information, and I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to click on Add New. But what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to press the Control button if you're on a PC and the Apple button if you're on a Mac. I'm going to click that, Control, click on that, and that will open up a new tab because I want to keep this tab open. Or you could probably right click on Add New and open link in new tab. You can do it either or. So many different ways to do it. You can make a new page, steamboatapc.com/wp-admin, and just go there. Once you get used to it, you'll understand. All right, the new person you want to do is Carter Allen. I'm going to snag all of this information here. I was reviewing the Carter. Okay, now I got to get his logo and I got to get an image of himself. So let's click on. Let me paste all that in there. What I did was I right-clicked, or you can do a Control-C, Control-V, copy, and then go into this space right here and paste it. Paste. Okay, Carter Allen is going to go up here. On the right side over here for default template, I want you to click on full width. And then for set feature image, that's going to be the banner of that page. I want you to go all the way down to the bottom. And I want you to get this image right here. Click on set featured image. Okay. Now what's going to happen here is you're going to have a permalink. This is the website link address to Carter Allen now. What I've been doing is the directors are, well, let me show you. What I've been doing is doing a -2. The directors don't have a -2. So that's how I keep them separate, because the directors, I have to do a post, not a page. That's another tutorial. Click OK. And so this is going to be his hyperlink when we do the members page. Okay. All right, thank you. Okay, Carter Allen, let's get some of this, get rid of some of this stuff. So he's a private mortgage broker. That's his number. Okay, Wells Fargo. Let me see. We don't need his address, P.O. Box. We were just sticking with the name, what he does, private mortgage broker, where his business is, his MLS. Number is right there, so let me get rid of that one. Let me put that up there. Telephone number, we already have that. That's good. Here's his email address down here at the bottom. All right, so that we have all the information we need. Now we need to put it into the right format. So like I did Allison Dennis here, let's copy that. Let's paste it right here. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is don't mess with this part right here. this puts it into a class that makes it float over to the right, and whenever you look at the image, you know, it'll just float over. Let's preview the page so far. I'm going to click on preview here, actually publish it. Would be better. Okay, and now preview. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a control right click on that and then open link in new tab. This is what his page is going to look like so far. Okay, so that banner image is up here. His information is outside of the div. That's why it's over here on the left. But you notice that this came in. Let's refresh and watch how it scrolls to the right. Excuse me. So now we have to fix all this information down here. We got to make their website address, his email address, logo, and an image of him. But I don't know if we have one of him yet. And then if you click on this, it will actually, this will only work on the phone. So if you're on his on this website page on the phone, you can click on that and it will call him. But if you're on the computer and you click on this right here, it will open up your email and it will email him. So what we want to do next is take Carter Allen. I do Control-C, Control-V, and Control-X. I do all the shortcut keys to go really quick. I'm going to right-click on this. I'm going to cut this. What that means is I'm going to cut, and I'm going to paste it right here. Paste. So it's gone. Mortgage, Wells Fargo. I'm going to do a Control-C or a copy. I'm going to put that right here first, and then I'm going to put a hyperlink here. Then I'm going to put it again. Where am I going to put it? I think that's it. We don't need that one anymore. But I do need the private mortgage broker. I'm going to put that right here where it says Carpet Plus. He's an APC member that stays there. Now for the phone number. Most phone numbers are 970, I noticed. So I'm just going to take the 870, put that here, and then do it right here again. Get rid of this dash right here. This is AH reference telephone 970. This is the code. So when you click on it in the website on the phone, it's going to open up. All right, let me get rid of this. Let me put his number in there down here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do what's called a strong tag, which bolds it and close the strong tag so nothing else gets bolded. All right, and here's his email. I'm going to take that and put it right here, mail to, and put his email right in there. Okay. Now, I don't know if he has it. Let me see. Oh, that's right. Let me go back and see if he has website, wellsfargo.com, right? Let me see. Copy. And Wells Fargo. Steamboat Springs. Let's see if they have their own. Steamboat Springs and Wells Fargo. Let's click on that. Let's open it up. I see I do a lot of tabs so I can go quick. Services. Okay, we're just going to snag this for now. I'm assuming that's the location he's going to be at. Let's go back and I'm going to put that right here. This is the first H reference, and then the second one, this is the image for the desktop. That's this right here, and then this one right here, the fa envelope and the fa desk. This is the fa envelope. Those are little icons that you use. Okay, so what happens is this opens up the link and this closes the link. So you have an A tag and then close the A tag. And then the next A tag opens for the email and then it closes here. All right, so what we want to do is we want to find, this is the image of the Carpets Plus right now. We want an image of Steamboat Springs, the Wells Fargo. And I want to put the H reference here too. Paste the Wells Fargo home. Let's update that. Let's see what it looks like now. We're going to refresh the page. Wells Fargo home mortgage. Good. If you click on that, it will open up that. This is good. Let's close that. That's not Carter Allen. We got to get an image of him, APC number, his phone number, and then if you click on this, it'll go to the website. If you click on the email, you see in the bottom left over here that the email says carter.u.allen@wellsfargo.com. This goes to the right website, not Carpus Plus anymore, but now we got to make a new, we got to make an image. There's Wells Fargo. Okay, we've done another Wells Fargo before. So what I need to do is I need to go to Media, Library, right click, open a new tab of Media. All right, well, you can do a control click or command click on that to open up the library. This is where it gets a little tricky. I gotta find that Wells Fargo image. It's a red square. Come on, red square, where are you? Wells Fargo. I know I used it before. I uploaded a Wells Fargo before. Where is it? Oh my God. All right, is it home mortgage? Is it this one? Let me go back and see. It's a private mortgage banker. All right, this is, all right, where is the other one? Wells Fargo. I can't find it. I'm not seeing the red square. I know there's another one. Let me see, Wells Fargo. Let me go to the members page. Let me click on members. Let's put that open in a new page. So we're going to do this next anyways, make a members page. And I'm going to do a Command F or Control F to find Wells Fargo. Kimberly Hanna. Let's click on that. Let's see what she's got going on. Here we go. Okay, they are using this one. Home mortgages. This. All right, so let me go back and let me click on that. Click on that image. What you want to do is you want to get this URL over here. You want to triple click on it, or click inside there and do a Control A to select all, or triple click on it until you select it all, or just click on it and drag to the right. Wait, Control C or right click and copy. And then let's go back to our page. And I need to put that in the image source right here. That's where the Carpet Plus one is. I'm going to paste it right here in between the two quotation marks. I pasted it. I'm going to update it. And I'm going to go back to Carter Allen. And I'm going to refresh the page. And I'm going to see this change down here. Okay, Wells Fargo Home Mortgage. Okay. So let's find out if we can find Carter Allen somewhere out there on the internet. I'm going to write it up here. And let's go to Google, see if we can find him. Let's see if we can find a picture. Guess I'm assuming we can't find a picture of him. Let's see. Well, you guys would have sent me a picture of him. Oh, Carter Allen, there he is. All right, so right click, open image in new tab. That's Carter Allen. Okay. Contact me online, visit my site. Let's click on visit my site. Let's see where that actually goes to. Ah, we can use that. All right, so let's copy that. See, this is information you can find on the internet. You have to do a little digging, got to do a little searching. And that's where I'm going to put that right here. And I'm going to put it right here. This is his website. So update. So now when you go to Carter Allen and you refresh the page, this image, this link right here and this one right here will take you to Carter Allen's page, which is wonderful, right? Come on, that's awesome, right? All right, so let's go back to, let's see if we can get that image of him. There we go. All right, so what I'm going to do is right click and save image as, put it on my desktop, and then we're just going to throw it into the library in the WordPress. See, this takes time, doesn't it? Each member takes about 15 minutes or so. Unless you really get going, you get the momentum going, it'll take you about 5 or 10 minutes. But if you're doing it just like you get a new member and you have to put them in, it's going to take you 15 to 20, maybe a half hour, because you got to remember how to do everything every time. So that's why it's better to do like 4 or 5 at the end of the month or at the end of 2 months. All right, we're going to call this one Carter Allen. And I'm going to put it on my desktop. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my media library. I'm going to close this. and I'm going to add new. Now I can select the files, or I can drag and drop that image in here. I'm going to select the file, go to my desktop, look for Carter Allen, open, and now he's downloaded. He's here. Let's click on him. Just like the Wells Fargo, I'm going to take the URL here, copy it, go to Carter Allen, go over here, and his image source for his face is up here. Right now it's Carpet Plus, remember? So I'm going to paste that there, press update, go to Carter Allen's web page, refresh, and now his image should pop up. There it is. There he is. Okay, so Carter Allen is in now. Let's close the media library. We don't need that open anymore. Close this. I can close this. I'm going to leave this one open. Now I got to go to members page, and I had to put him down here in the members. He's number 15. So lenders. So the next thing we got to do is let's go to the first page, and we can take this page and we can go to all pages. And we're going to write in members, press enter to find it quicker. There it is. Click on members, and you'll see there's a list here. Let's go to lenders. I'm going to snag this one because it says Wells Fargo Home Mortgage already. I'm going to copy that, go to the end of this one, press enter, and I'm going to paste. So these are lists. LI is a list, LI, LI, and then you close the LI, close the LI, close the LI. So when you look at the members page, you're going to have a list. List is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14. There's number 15 is going to pop up once I press update. I'm going to redo that in a second, but I just want you to see in the members page, if you refresh, this is going to be turned into number 15, and then it says Kimberly, and we got to put that to Carter. So Carter Allen, let's go down here. Carter Allen. Now, this is his, remember it said Carter-Allen-2. This is his web address. You can copy that, and we can put that right here. There we go. It's the same thing, http://steamboatapc.com/Carter-Allen-2. You don't need to have the /. You can have it, you can leave it. I just leave it there. Wells Fargo Home Mortgage. Let me see. Private mortgage banker. That's fine. Okay, so we're going to update that. Let's press on update. Let's go back to the members page. Let's refresh. And now number 15 says Carter Allen Wells Fargo Home Mortgage. Let's click on it, and it goes to Carter Allen. All right, so that's how you do the members.